Welcome back again to another video lecture on C++ programming, and in this video lecture I'm going to teach you about string arrays of pointers. So far we've been looking at just integer variables alone. How can we work with strings? Alright, so as string arrays of pointer, just like what we did actually in the previous lecture, so we can be able to do that using string variables. Let's go ahead and kick off immediately by wording a string. I'm going to say string name and let that be the value of the element to be 5. And we'll go ahead and say the first one is hello, comma, vida, comma, Paul, comma, Kane, comma, and Chris. And that is all. And place semicolon at the end. Now let's create the pointer array as na, and now, go ahead and give it a value of 5 elements. Alright, so now let's pass in the content of the name of array into the pointer array by using the for loop. And to do that, you go ahead and create an integer variable, first of all, of int x, and then you come back and say for x is equal to 0, press semicolon, and x less than 5, press semicolon, then x increment. So now we go ahead and say cout, and then go ahead and print out that you can. Sorry, try to cout, we're not printing out, want to put in the values of the content of name inside the pointer now. And to do that, you go ahead and say now is equal to the address of the variable name. And then, because this is an array, then each of them we have the value of x and the value of x respectively. So now let's go below here and use a for loop. Using the for loop, go ahead and say x is equal to 0, press semicolon, then x is less than 5, press semicolon, and x increment. Then go ahead and print out the results. So to print out, go ahead and say cout. You can write anything you want to write right inside here using the string. You can go ahead and say this is the value, but I don't usually write in so much things. So go ahead and just put in pointer now, an array of x right in there. It's go ahead and print out hello Peter, Paul, Ken, and Chris, and let this end here. So you can write in much thing you want using the string format of a double quotation right inside here, and it will be printed out for you. But for now, let's go ahead and print out the arrays of the string, and I come in. So you can see that I have string arrays of pointer hello. Check it out, hello Peter, Paul, Ken, and Chris printed out for me. And remember, this is the pointer to use to print out and not the name of the array. I hope that is very cool. So go ahead and put it down on your own system for variety. Check it out. And now, in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.